Hello. It's Herbert Day. We're going to see just how much his root system has grown here. Okay. Just one sec. Sorry about that. Took a little manhandling there. It's still going to take some. But let's see. Gosh, I hope you can see this sucker's heavy. Can you see that? Well, it does look like a nice one. But we're going to go ahead and set him in here. And I'm going to have to go get some more dirt for him. But he should be much happier, I think. You could tell he was starting to have problems. So let me get some more dirt. I'll be right back. All right. Well, this isn't really ceremonious. It's old dirt from my other plants I've harvested. And yes, I learned my lesson last time and put something plastic down in my bathtub. So we'll water him in with our peroxide, and he should be a happy camper again. And maybe he won't be falling over on me and crying out, "Hey lady." There we go. Alrighty. Let me get some of my water in here. I'll go get him some more. And we'll just continue to water him in. And I'll give you a final shot when I got him watered in. Okay, well, we got him watered in. He's going to have to drain a bit. And there's no way in the world I'm going to be able to pick this up on camera. No, I got to let it drain some. But it should be quite healthy and happy. And when you see him again, he should be really standing up, not falling over anymore. Let me see if I can get you a better view. There he is in his glory. A big mamba jamba. Anyways. Well, you guys have yourselves a lovely day, and I know I will as well. Say goodbye to Herbert. I'll speak to you guys later. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.